My name is Jerry Sukup. I'm founder and co-owner, along with my wife Georgia, of Southwest Perennials here in Dallas, Texas. We produce our perennials on 80,000 square feet of greenhouse, approximately 2 acres. We ship between 3 and 4 million plugs annually. We focus on details from start to finish, and everything has to be bloomed out to the quality, the color, the consistency that we want before we take the first cutting, so that when we can ensure that the customer, that if they're going to receive this product, it's going to be as named or true to variety, true to color, because here we push the envelope, we push it to the max. We do magic tricks. We pull the rabbits out of the hat, and we look at really producing a good product, producing it on time. If I tell you the customer that it's going to be there on that day, we want it to be there on that day. Presently, we're at 300 plus varieties, and I know we've tested more than 300 different ones. We have found that using the KISS principle, we're keeping it simple, stupid, or whatever you want to call it. We have found that we have one mix that's universal through our whole entire operation. I've seen a lot of different mixes come along, and now in my 20 years of being in on my own, I've settled in on Berger's BM6. We found that with just a little bit of tweaking, we have not have a problem whether it's a very drought tolerant perennial or it's a water hog that wants more water in the thing. The BM6 is just very universal, and it's one that everyone should use. It all started out with a Berger salesman with a couple of bags of Berger mix in the back of his pickup truck, to a small little growing operation that didn't know if he had enough money to pay for it, got a little bit of credit, and we've evolved to a 3 semi-load operation a year. Martha Truby, our salesman here, has been fantastic as far as trialing us with new materials, see if something else works, and we have given them all shots with materials side by side so that we can evaluate what the product is like and whether it fits our needs. But so far, in looking back at all the years that I've trialed product and that, I have very seldom found a problem with their product versus other people's product. Because when you deal with other product, you have to deal with it's not the right quality, it's not the right consistency, you're having to do so many more things to it. All that costs you money, and in the same sequence, your plant material is losing quality, is losing vigor. The Berger people have gone beyond their means to help the customer, me, with anything and everything. It's beyond belief. I haven't had other people that have done that, to step forward, the kindness. The Berger folks have the family orientation also, just as we do. We started with Berger. We were little. We grew up with Berger, and we're proud to be a part of Berger.